thanks to the fact that we are so different from each other, we are and have been able to evolve as human beings, as part of a species. And what's even more amazing about this fact is that nowadays we can discover and realize how beautifully different we are from each other thanks to things like social media or, well, the internet in general. I, for example, have grown alongside English and Korean speaking celebrities. And well, that has allowed me to perfect not only their native tongue, but also the knowledge I have on their culture. And I know for a fact that this is actually a shared experience. Like me, many others have the wish to see the world from a very unique perspective. This perspective can be obtained only through the knowledge of others, of how they live, communicate, express themselves, etc. But this is not the only thing that's needed, actually. There is empathy and respect too. So, thanks to this experience, we are able to call ourselves citizens of the world. And that sounds beautiful if you think about it. But have you ever thought of the actual role we play as global citizens? To be a global citizen means that over our shoulders stand traditions, ancient tongues, and most importantly, entire groups of people united by culture. Carrying them is a job that begins the second we start learning about them and understanding how they exist within a world like ours. But with global citizenship also comes responsibility. What do I mean by this? That we are responsible for the way we use their words, understand their culture, and in general, what we do regarding those things that are, let's say, sacred for them. As a citizen of the world, our arms are permanently open to embrace diversity and recognize that the never-ending thirst for knowledge for the other culture is an excellent quality of ours. However, I'm not only talking about cultural diversity, I'm also talking about the language, about how each language that is spoken by each community shapes the society in itself. I, as a polyglot, have been able to truly comprehend this firsthand. Through the way native speakers form sentences and communicate in general, it's actually possible to realize how different an experience it is for them than it is for us. And that, apart from being, well, rather interesting for someone like me, that it can also allow us to see the world from their perspective. So, in conclusion, to be a global citizen means that we have a very special duty to the world and to its people. And well, it is not only to communicate in the language we know, but also to learn how we are all so amazingly different from our global peers and how I, as an individual, parting from there, can grow as a person in this changing world and respectfully accept and recognize the beauty that resides deep inside of us. Thank you. My name is María Lucía Bolívar, and I'm a student at Colegio Hermana Rossi.